Hi all. So I just discovered that the matrix calculator link that I normally use is missing, and that matrix calculator has apparently no longer in existence. So I want to show you real quick how to use the Desmos matrix calculator. So I'm here on the normal Desmos starting screen, just desmos.com. And if we click under Math Tools, you'll see Matrix Calculator. And so I want to show you how to do a couple of the things you're going to be doing in sections 8.2 and later. And the first thing you're going to be doing is creating what are called augmented matrices. And you'll learn in the text what that means. But here's an example of an augmented matrix. So I'm going to put one in and then show you how to get that to what we call reduced row reference. So we're going to type new matrix. And you start with a 2-row, 2-column matrix. Now I want a 4-row, 3-column matrix. So I just click the plus button to add rows and columns, and I messed up, so there. All right. Now my matrix is going to have in the first row a 4. You just use those arrows to move to the next one, or if you're on a keyboard, you can tab into your next one. So 4, 0, negative 1, 350. And then if you just keep going with the arrow, it goes to the next row, and we're going to put in 0, 1, 0, 100. And then go to the next row, and 9, 0, negative 2, 300. And when you're all done, you just hit the return key to enter it. And at this point, we can do operations. And you can do all sorts of matrix operations. But what I want to do is I want to create the reduced row reference form, which is RREF. So we're going to click RREF. And then Desmos is expecting an input, and what it's looking for, and it'll actually tell you right here that it wants an argument. And we don't want to use X for our argument. What we want to use is the name of the matrix that we care about. In this case, A. So just use the A. And right over here on the right-hand side then of that line, it gives you the reduced row reference matrix. All right, so that's how you get reduced row reference. The other thing you're going to be doing in later sections is taking the determinant, and that works much the same way. So let's just create a new matrix. Now in order to take determinants, you have to use square matrices, so 3 by 3. And let's just use 0 or 4, 0, negative 1. These are just the first 3 columns from my earlier matrix. Whoops. 0, 1, 0, and 9, 0, negative 2. Now, come down to a new line, and DET stands for determinant. And this time we want to use matrix B. And right there on the right-hand side, it tells you that the determinant of that matrix is 1. Okay, this I think is fairly straightforward to use. I hope you find it helpful. And this is a tool that will help you in the homework and on the exams. All right. Good luck and thanks.